video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a Facebook Marketplace listing as sold. Whether you've just made a sale or you want to tidy up your listings, marking an item as sold is a straightforward process that helps keep your marketplace organized and lets potential buyers know the item is no longer available. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Facebook and head to the marketplace. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to buying and selling items on Facebook. Once you're on the marketplace page, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a section labeled Your Listings. Clicking on Your Listings will show you a summary of all your current offerings on the marketplace. Now that you've pulled up your active listings, the next step is to find the specific item you've recently sold. Scroll through your listings until you locate the one you want to mark as sold. Once you've found it, you should notice 3 little dots, or what we sometimes call the More icon, located somewhere next to your listing. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. After clicking the dots, you'll be presented with a menu of options. Among these options, you'll see Mark as Sold. This is the critical step. Select that option to proceed. By doing so, you're effectively letting other people on the marketplace know that this particular item is no longer available for purchase. The listing will now indicate that the item is sold, which can alleviate any confusion for buyers who might still see your listing. Remember, it's important to mark items as sold in a timely manner. This practice not only helps potential buyers who might still be interested in your item, but also keeps you organized and helps avoid unnecessary messages from interested buyers. It's also a good practice for maintaining a positive seller's reputation. Regularly updating the status of your listings ensures that your profile remains tidy and efficient, reflecting well on you as a seller. In conclusion, marking your item as sold is an essential part of the selling process on Facebook Marketplace. It's simple enough that you can do it in just a few steps. Go to your listings, find the sold item, click the 3 dots, and select Mark as Sold. Keeping your marketplace listings up to date ensures a smooth experience for both you and potential buyers. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did, and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks.